Do you still remember accounting for pensions way back in Chapter 20? I'm sure you do. This is Dennis, and let us review the components of the pension expense. Given the following information from Business Office Systems and Support, we are required to compute the pension expense and prepare the journal entries. What line items do we need? You are correct. We need the service costs, the interest costs, which we can calculate by multiplying the PBO to the settlement rate. We also need the expected return and the PSC amortization. Please note the second line item too. We need it later for the journal entry of contributions. From the information given, we can now compute the pension expense. We will add the service cost to the interest cost, subtract the expected return. You might ask why. The answer is any positive return reduces the expense. And last component to add is the PSC amortization. So pension expense equals to 118,000. We can now move on to satisfy the second requirement, the journal entries. The journal entries. It is painful. Believe me, I know how you feel. But we have to do it. First, debit pension expense for 118,000. Second, credit PSC for 10,000. Third, credit pension asset liability for 108,000. Where did we get this number? This is the difference between the pension expense and the PSC. Another way to arrive at this number is to add service cost and interest cost, then minus the expected return. Next, we would debit the pension asset liability for 80,000, credit cash for 80,000. Now you might ask again, where did the 80,000 came from? It was given the contribution to the plan by the employer. Once again, here are the components of the pension expense: service cost, interest cost, expected return on plan assets, and amortization of prior service costs. One component that we were not able to see in this presentation is the amortization of excess net gains or losses. I am sure we will see this in the quiz or in the exam. Good luck to all of us, and thank you. This presentation was made possible because of the following sources.